In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix an error occurred. Please try again later on YouTube. Whenever you try to play it, it's not working. If you're facing this error, this is what we have to do. So the first and foremost step is all about what we need to do is we have to go over here in the search, type here for the settings, and now click on the settings here. Now from here, what you need to do is you have to go to the left side and just click on time and language. From here, go to the date and time. Now from here, what you need to do is the first and foremost step, make sure that set time zone automatically should be turned on. Set time automatically should be turned on, and also go to sync now. And also what you need to do is you have to turn on this as well. As you can see, once all these steps is done, you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Even the last syncing is done right now over here, and you have to check with it. Sometimes it might work. If not, you have to go over here on a Google. You have to get into the Google Chrome. Now, the first and foremost step is all about you have to try opening your YouTube account. So this is my YouTube account over here right now. As you can see, I have tried turning on this. Now, once you get into the YouTube, what you need to do is you have to click on this icon over here on the right, left, top left. You have to click on this and go to the cookies and site data. Now, from here, there is an option manage on device site data. And as you can see, try deleting all these things. You can try deleting this and delete all these things. Afterwards, try refreshing. Sometimes, after refreshing, it might work. So you can try in that way. Still, if you're having the trouble with, then what you need to do is you have to click on the three dot over here and go to incognito and just search for the YouTube and check it out, and that might fix. So these are the steps, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.